real name is Gaurav Bajaj, and I'm playing this character of Vinay in Bindas show Ye Hai Ashki. In this particular story, where a guy falls in love with a sex worker. That's it.
So how do you believe in this kind of concept? Is it real or something like just limited to the screen?
Limited, it's not limited to the screen. It's just that it doesn't happen with a lot of people. It happens with very few people. Or I guess जिनके साथ होता है, probably they don't talk about it because they are trying to move from a very different life to a very normal life. So that could be one of the reasons why it's not a very common thing. But yeah, it does happen. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ on screen ही देखने को मिलता है. It happens in real life also.
What, according to you, love is all about? It's all about infatuation or something more than that?
It's not infatuation for sure. It's a very strong emotion, as I said. बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन है और फिल्मों वाला नहीं होता जैसे कि हमको देखने को मिलता है यशराज जी की फिल्मों में वैसा प्यार नहीं होता है. ये जो प्यार आपने देखा ये आपने रियलिस्टिक प्यार देखा और किसी को किसी से भी प्यार हो सकता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ एक अच्छे लड़के को अच्छी लड़की से ही प्यार होगा या कोई सेक्स वर्कर प्यार नहीं कर सकती है. हर किसी को राइट है प्यार करने का.
But you know, but love needs sacrifice. But any individual is not only.
Love is actually sacrifice. If you talk about it, love is actually sacrifice. And if you see the guy sacrificing for the girl, he's supposed to go to US. He's supposed to go there and work and make money, make loads of money. He wants to have a nice life. But then no, he's sacrificing his life for this girl because the guy wants to give her a good future.
It's not so hard in real life. Does a girl is ready to sacrifice for a guy or a guy is ready to sacrifice for a girl?
It can happen to anyone. Love can happen to anyone. A guy can be sacrificing for the girl or the girl can be sacrificing for the guy. किसी को भी.
What's the uniqueness you find in this show? What kind of
The uniqueness about this show, it's real. It's been shot in a real way. It's like a film of an hour. It's not a regular television show. If you see technically also the way it's been shot, visually also if you see how it's looking, it's a brilliant show and every time they have a different story. They are not repeating something. Like first story was about this guy, young guy falling in love with a married female who's like quite elder to the guy. And this story it's about a boy next door falling in love with a sex worker. सुनने में बहुत अजीब लगता है, बहुत वियर्ड लगता है, बट ऐसा होता है और आई गेस होता जाएगा. और आई एम श्योर ये शो देखने के बाद, ये एपिसोड देखने के बाद बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत सारी लड़कियां, सेक्स वर्कर्स जो कि सोच रही इतने टाइम से कि वो शायद भागें, आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस प्रॉब्ली दे विल टेक अ स्टेप व्हिच इज गोना बी गुड फॉर देम. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
अच्छे से तुम
Being a sex worker in this show, and this is for the first time playing. This is actually a very challenging character for me in my career, and because I've played a simple girl, village girl till now, and for the first time I'm playing this kind of character. It is a beautiful love story that anybody could imagine. I hope you have seen the story, and I just hope you will all like our story, Ye Ashiki. Tomorrow it's coming on UTV Bindas 7 p.m.
So what for the role means? What was the reason for casting you as a role?
See, I don't know about the reason. You'll have to ask from the channel and all. And yeah, when they told me about this character, I was like, why me?
Yeah.
Because I don't know I would be able to do it or not, but I did it, yeah. I tried and I did it. It was
You
very
earlier
nice.
mentioned that you haven't made a sex worker in anybody.
I've never seen it.
How well you did.
It's very hard for me, but I would say our teamwork and the way they have told me everything, the way they have briefed me the character, it worked.
So how was the total experience working in a serial?
It was fabulous. I wanted to work again and again with this people, this kind of characters. I'm speechless because I'm getting so wonderful response of this character. So I'm happy.
So do you think in real life as such, I mean, a guy will get fall in love with a sex worker and get married?
See, these stories are, they've taken these stories from real life incidents only. So I think we don't know about it because, as Vikrant have told you, because society don't accept all these things. So I think, yeah, it is possible. Why not possible?
So what
Love is blind.
what is the definition of love according to you?
There is no definition of love. It is beautiful. It is, I don't know what it is, but there's no, you cannot express love in words.
Kindly introduce your real name and the character.
Hi, I'm Vibha Anand, and I'm playing Sapna. Sapna is my character's name, and I'm playing a sex worker in this Ye Hai Aashiki UTV Bandas. Tomorrow you'll watch me on TV. I hope you'll love it.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, tell us something about the concept of serial and what kind of angling you are doing when you have done your research.
Yes, absolutely. Firstly, I'll tell you what the show is about. The show is called Ye Hai Aashiki, and it extensively and only speaks of love stories. We are celebrating love, I would say. Okay? And we are highlighting love stories which unfortunately in our society haven't found a common standing or social acceptance, I would say. Love is something which is there in the society, which is there for us to see. But at the same time, there are relationships which are also prevalent or existent in our society, which are not looked as normal. They are unconventional, unusual. अब वो क्यों है, किस वजह से है, वो हम खुद नहीं जानते हैं, क्योंकि सोसाइटल रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस, नॉर्म्स हैं जो किसी ने तो बनाए हैं और वो हम बस फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं. हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हम चांद तक पहुंच गए, हम ये कह रहे हैं कि वी एडवांस्ड. इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट, इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, डेवलपिंग डेमोक्रेसी इन द वर्ल्ड. बट फिर भी हमारी सोसाइटी में आज भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो रिलेशनशिप्स को, उनकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ को समझ नहीं पाते हैं. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू हाईलाइट इशूज़, वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरलाइन इशूज़ विच नीड टू बी स्पोकन ऑफ, एंड येस, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग लव. येस.
Did you do any kind of research kind of a thing?
Yes, we have a research team, and everything that you will see on television is extensively researched, and all the stories you see are obviously reenactment, reconstruction, but they are stories based on real life events and incidences.
So you have acted in many serials as well, but this kind of show, I mean, how challenging is it being part of a show as a host?
As a host, I wouldn't say it's very challenging, but the challenging part is to reach out to people and tell them what you're thinking is wrong. You know, the challenge begins after we've started doing the show. इंडिविजुअली मेरे लिए ऐसा कोई चैलेंज नहीं था कि मैं होस्ट प्ले कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम प्लेइंग माई सेल्फ, और मैं वही विचार व्यक्त कर रहा हूँ जो मेरे हैं, जो बिंदास के हैं, जो हम सब के हैं. बट द एंटायर चैलेंज बिगिंस आफ्टर यू कम अप विथ योर शो, एंड वी आर होपिंग दैट हमारा शो देख के लोग कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में जो लिटिल फिनिकी या कुछ एक अपने शेल में रहते हैं, हमारा शो देखने के बाद उस शेल से बाहर निकलें.
So did you mean a real life couple who have faced similar situation as such, and did you ask something related?
I have met real life couples. I've met real life people who've gone through similar situations in life. हमने एक कहानी अभी देखी, एक सेक्स वर्कर की कहानी थी, लेकिन हमारी अलग अलग कहानियाँ हैं, बहुत सी अलग अलग कहानियाँ. मैं उनसे मिल चुका हूँ, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसी सोसाइटी के डर से वो लोग आज तक टेलीविज़न पे नहीं आ पाए हैं. वो अपने विचार, अपनी फीलिंग्स, जो ऑपोजिशन, जो तकलीफ़ें उन्हें सहनी पड़ी हैं, उसके बारे में खुल के बात नहीं कर पाए हैं.
So my last question, what kind of difference do you find with the society will have after watching this serial? The mindset of the society, in particular, they want something like a rich kind of a girl, or a girl wants rich guy who guy. So what kind of mindset will be changing in the society?
देखिए, हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि हम माइंडसेट बदलने आए हैं. हम एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं, हम लव स्टोरीज दिखा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो कहानियाँ दिखा रहे हैं जो हमारी सोसाइटी में हैं और उन्हें एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं मिली. एक्सेप्टेंस तो बहुत ही दूर की बात है, उन्हें डिस्कस भी नहीं किया जाता. क्या चेंज होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, आई डोंट थिंक एनीवन कैन प्रेडिक्ट. और बस हम यही कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जब दो लोग एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं, उनको उनकी ज़िंदगी जीने दें. लेट्स नॉट गेट जजमेंटल अबाउट व्हाट पीपल आर. जैसे हमने आपकी कहानी में देखा, एक सेक्स वर्कर की लव स्टोरी थी. ऐसे एक सेक्स वर्कर, अगर वो सेक्स वर्कर है तो शायद उसकी कुछ मजबूरी होगी, उसकी कुछ वजह होगी, उसका भी दिल है, उसकी भी ज़िंदगी है. शी हैज़ ऑल द राइट्स टू लिव अ लाइफ द वे शी वांट्स टू लिव.